The quest for radiant and healthy skin goes beyond skincare products. It begins with the food choices we make. Our skin is a reflection of our overall health, and a well-balanced diet plays a crucial role in maintaining its vitality. This report explores a variety of nutrient-rich foods that contribute to promoting healthy skin, addressing the importance of nutrition in skincare. Hydration and water-rich foods. Adequate hydration is fundamental for skin health. Water helps flush out toxins, keeping the skin clear and hydrated. Additionally, consuming water-rich foods like watermelon, cucumber, and celery contributes to maintaining optimal skin hydration levels. Omega-3 fatty acids for skin suppleness. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and flax seeds, are essential for maintaining skin suppleness. These fatty acids contribute to a strong skin barrier, reducing inflammation and preventing dryness. Antioxidant-rich fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables rich in antioxidants, such as berries, spinach, and kale, play a pivotal role in protecting the skin from oxidative stress. Antioxidants combat free radicals, preventing premature aging and promoting a youthful complexion. Vitamins and minerals for skin health. Essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin A, vitamin C, and zinc are crucial for skin health. Foods like sweet potatoes, oranges, and nuts provide these nutrients, supporting collagen production, promoting healing, and maintaining a healthy skin structure. Protein for skin repair and regeneration. Protein is essential for the repair and regeneration of skin cells. Sources like lean meats, eggs, and legumes provide the necessary amino acids that contribute to the maintenance of healthy skin tissue. Probiotics and gut health. A healthy gut is linked to healthy skin. Probiotics, found in yogurt, kefir, and fermented foods, support gut health and may help alleviate skin conditions such as acne and eczema. Whole grains for skin nutrition. Whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and oats provide a steady release of energy and essential nutrients for skin health. They contain vitamins, minerals, and fiber that contribute to overall skin well-being. Collagen-boosting foods. Collagen is crucial for skin elasticity. Foods like bone broth, fish, and citrus fruits contain nutrients that stimulate collagen production, helping to maintain skin firmness and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. In conclusion, achieving healthy skin involves a holistic approach that includes a well-balanced diet rich in a variety of nutrients. By incorporating hydration, omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, protein, probiotics, whole grains, and collagen-boosting foods into our daily meals, we can nourish our skin from within and enhance its natural radiance. Making informed food choices is a powerful strategy for promoting long-term skin health and achieving a vibrant complexion. In the pursuit of radiant and healthy skin, turning to nature's herbal remedies and embracing the benefits of sunbasking can offer holistic solutions. These practices, rooted in ancient wisdom, provide nourishment and protection for the skin, blending traditional knowledge with modern skincare principles. Herbal remedies for skincare. Herbs have been valued for their therapeutic properties in skincare for centuries. Aloe vera, renowned for its soothing and moisturizing qualities, is a natural remedy for sunburns and irritated skin. Its gel, extracted from the succulent leaves, can be applied topically to promote healing and reduce inflammation. Calendula, known for its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, is another herbal gem. Infused into oils or creams, calendula aids in soothing sensitive skin, making it an excellent choice for those with conditions like eczema or dermatitis. Chamomile, with its calming effects, can be used in skincare routines to alleviate skin redness and irritation. Its gentle nature makes it suitable for all skin types, particularly for those with sensitive skin. Tea tree oil, derived from the leaves of the Melaleuca alternifolia tree, possesses powerful antimicrobial properties. It is effective in treating acne-prone skin by reducing inflammation and combating bacteria. Sun basking for vitamin D and healthy skin. While excessive sun exposure can be harmful, moderate sun basking is essential for the synthesis of vitamin D, a crucial nutrient for skin health. Vitamin D plays a role in skin cell growth, repair, and metabolism, contributing to overall skin vitality. Sunlight triggers the production of vitamin D in the skin, promoting calcium absorption and supporting immune function. However, it's essential to practice safe sun exposure by avoiding peak hours, using sunscreen, and gradually increasing exposure time to prevent sun damage. Additionally, spending time outdoors has mental health benefits, reducing stress levels that can impact skin conditions. Combining sun basking with herbal skincare remedies creates a synergistic approach to holistic skin wellness, allowing individuals to embrace the healing powers of nature for a radiant and balanced complexion. Incorporating herbal remedies and mindful sun exposure into skincare routines aligns with the idea that nature provides a wealth of resources for promoting skin health. By honoring these traditional practices, individuals can achieve a harmonious balance between nature and skincare, unlocking the secrets to naturally radiant and resilient skin.